Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if you have a giant lock symbol next to your game on your PlayStation 5. So usually this is because you are trying to use the game and you're playing it offline, or the licenses are not updated. So just go over the game or application and press options on it, and then go on down to restore licenses for that specific game. So if we just do this, so it says you should be able to use content that you download through the PlayStation Store once you restore the license, basically. And then that lock symbol should go away. Now, if it still remains, there's two different reasons why it could still be there. One, you're playing the game offline and you don't have your PlayStation 5 set as home. And the other is, well, you're on the wrong account. So what you want to do is go up to the top down, go to settings, and then go down to users and accounts. There's another way that we could do this. So go over to other and go to restore licenses right here. And then we can select the games all at once instead of just going to them individually. And that will be a lot quicker. And then another thing that we can do is go to console sharing offline play and enable your PlayStation 5 as home. This will allow you to play offline. So if you lose connection, you're not going to be able to play your game offline unless you sit at home. You're going to get that giant lock symbol. So that's another thing you should look at is maybe your internet is not working. Just check to make sure that you're connected to the internet. And you won't be able to connect to home if your PlayStation 5 does not have internet. So you do have to have internet to go ahead and enable that option. Now, the other thing is maybe your PlayStation 5 account is just wrong. So you need to go to the switcher. So if I tried playing a game and I don't have my PlayStation 5 set as home and I'm on a different account, well, I'm going to get that giant lock symbol next to it. So I need to go to the game I downloaded on my main account, set it as home, and then every other account should be able to play that game. So setting your PS5 as home is probably the most important thing. Check the internet and then restore the licenses and you should be good.